guys, Adam from CLEARBLAST here. We're going to go over on how to remove the water pump that's on board. This could be used for regular maintenance purposes. Very simple process. So first thing you want to do is remove the water line that's coming from your supply tank, or disconnect it rather. Down here below your control panel, there's a garden hose fitting. Just have to unscrew that first. Then we're going to go ahead and remove our side panel. These are flathead screws, quarter turn. This will give us access to our water pump. The next tool we'll be using is a ratchet, an 11 mil wrench, and you have two pump brackets here that we're going to take off. Now before we do that, we also have a couple of lines that are leading to the pump on the air end and out the water. To remove these, they are push to connect fittings. So we're going to push the tubing in, push the collar in, hold the collar, and then pull the tubing out. If you're struggling on getting that out, you can also give that a twist back and forth a few times to free it up and try it once more. They should come out pretty easily. You don't want to gut that fitting, so don't give them too much of a yank. All right, so once we have them out of the way, again, we're just gonna go ahead and take off our two pump brackets. All right, working on the last bracket here. Now the pump is resting on this hard mounted bracket to the pump, so you don't have to worry about that falling off on you as soon as this gets loose. Keep our stuff together here and remove the front of this one. And as we take this out, we're going to watch our regulator. There's also a water filter on the bottom. I'm going to make sure we don't knock that around too much. Slide it over and around. And we also have the oil port, there we go, on the front of your pump. So you don't want to go ahead and tip that over and dump out all of your oil. So that's it. You have your pump out of your machine. You can go ahead and service the bottom end if need be, or the top end if it's a little bit more hours on your pump. And simple, goes back in just as it comes out.